Software is often seen as a one-time investment, something you build, launch, and move on from. But the reality is, once your software goes live, the work is far from over. This is where software maintenance comes into play. Software maintenance is an essential phase in the software lifecycle. Without it, applications become outdated, insecure, and inefficient. Bugs begin to surface, security risks evolve, and over time, the system itself can fall behind the latest technologies. Software maintenance isn't just about fixing issues. It encompasses 4 critical categories. Corrective maintenance, where bugs and errors are addressed. Adaptive maintenance, where software is updated to stay compatible with new operating systems and technologies. Perfective maintenance, which enhances software by adding new features or improving performance. And finally, preventive maintenance, designed to prevent future failures by addressing potential problems before they occur. Many see maintenance as a necessary evil, an ongoing cost that simply can't be avoided. But in reality, it's a strategic investment. Regular maintenance can save companies from unexpected breakdowns, costly downtime, or even worse, data breaches. By keeping software updated and secure, companies can avoid these larger issues, ensuring smooth operations and long-term savings. Just like maintaining a car, ongoing care for software ensures it runs efficiently, stays secure, and continues to meet user needs. However, successful software maintenance requires careful planning and expertise. Whether through in-house teams or outsourced professionals, a well-managed approach ensures that software stays relevant and functional over time. So is software maintenance a necessary evil? Not at all. It's a smart, forward-thinking investment that protects your software, your users, and your bottom line. By investing in regular maintenance, you secure the future of your software and your business.